delivering the latest news and ultimate happenings in the University Athletic Association of the Philippines. This is UAAP and updates.
Delivering the latest news and ultimate happenings in the university.
National University men's basketball team finished with a bronze medal in the UAAP Season 88 tournament awarded last December 14 at the Mall of Asia Arena. The Bulldogs opened the double round robin elimination with wins over UE, FEU, and UST. NU faced off challenge against UP but closed the first round strong with victories over ADU, DLSU, and Ateneo. Thereafter, the Golden Blue squad began a second round toughly against UP but responding with the key wins over Ateneo, DLSU, ADU, FEU, and UE. In the end, despite a hard-fought outing versus UST, the Bulldogs finished the eliminations as the top seed with an 11-3 record. Building on their strong elimination round campaign, the Bulldogs advanced to the Final Four against DLSU but bowed out in a 2 nail-biting games, ultimately clinching the third place. Elite team honored Jake Figueroa cap of a stellar season leading NU with skill, poise, and a clutch performances in the Final Four. Ending the season with a bronze medal, the Bulldogs displayed heart and resilience, setting the stage for continued success in the years to come.
Get the latest news and ultimate happenings from us and News National. I am Denzel Baktig of TNTV, reporting.